If you have a baby who gets hiccups, how do you help them get rid of it? Lots of babies get hiccups, and most of the time it's benign. So, what do? My number one tip for this is more milk. Think about when we get hiccups. We take a drink of water and often they'll go away. So, if you're breastfeeding, give them more milk. If you're bottle feeding, give them more milk this way. Or, lastly, you can just offer the pacifier. Let them suck. Sucking often helps get rid of them too. So breast, more milk, bottle, more milk, or opt for the pacifier. Those are my 3 best tips, and usually they'll go away. If you have questions, you can put them in the comments.